इलेक्शन कोड लागू, द मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. तरी आसतना जबरदस्तीन by an administrative order issued by the Under Secretary, they have appointed 2 Deputy Chief Ministers. वो जी तेंच्यांनी order pass केला, it is absolutely violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Now this is not a constitutional appointment. This is an administrative order, and it is absolutely ad hoc. Because by the stroke of a pen it can be just thrown out. आयन काल इलेक्शन कमिशनाक कंप्लेन केली. To the Chief Election Commission in Delhi, all the 3 who are there, plus the Chief Electoral Officer State of Goa, send them by email, plus from Goa we have got the received copy of the hard copy also given to them. आता इतली बेजबाबदारपणे वो सरकार चलता, absolutely irresponsible, not caring for the election commission. This is the beginning of it, what they are going to behave and how they are going to behave and how they are going to suppress. And why is the electoral officer sitting down here silent on this matter? आम्ही कंप्लेन लॉन्च केल्या. आता आम्ही सगळ्या कोसम कंप्लेन करतले to immediately set aside this order, direct them and to recall that order. Direct this government to recall this order.